Hi everyone, it's Jen again reporting for HAUC, Haitian Americans United for Change. I want to say Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope 2011 has started off on a good foot. If not, I guarantee you soon will, because HAUC has several events scheduled this year. So take this time, grab yourself a pen and paper, write these dates down. I strongly recommend you attend one, at least all of them, because it would definitely be a good turnout. First on the list is our third annual Mother's Day celebration on May 8th. It's at the Larksville Manor. The address is 507 Larksville Road, East Northport, New York. You all know being a mother is not an easy task. You're the epitome of leading by example, so we want to acknowledge your hard work. We will have 3 honorees, and they are Michelle Voltaire Marcelin. She's an eminent writer, poet, and performer. We have the Long Island community advocate, Mary Reed, and woman of courage, Mrs. M. Neptune. Now, this event is not synonymous with just those 3 women, but we will also be acknowledging grandmothers, godmothers, mothers, soon-to-be mothers, just really taking the time to appreciate all your hard work. Next up is our Haitian cultural celebration that is on June 18th. And we're actually going to be putting that in conjunction with Father's Day, so you guys are not neglected. It's actually a big turnout we had last year. We're only expecting even more people to come up this year. It will be hosted at the Suffolk Community College, the Brentwood campus. We'll be acknowledging the Haitian culture, the arts, the history, and if you're like me who love your food, the Haitian cuisines. So once again, it's June 18th at the Suffolk Community College, the Brentwood campus. Please come through. It will be a lot of people there for you to converse with and get to know more about the Haitian culture. And our last event thus far is the Coat Drive. HAUC has teamed up with the Islip Town branch, NAACP, to collect coats for the winter time. So if you have any that you have not used, you're changing your style, they don't fit you any longer, please don't throw them away, donate them. They'll be given to the Family Service League and the Pronto of Long Island, Inc. You can drop them off at the Myota Salon International, Inc. That is 136 Wheeler Road, Central Islip, New York. Like I said, any coats that you know you're not using, you can give it to somebody else who will, or doesn't even have any for this winter time. If you want more information, you can call HAUC at 1-888-509-4282, extension 101, or the Town of Islip, NAACP, at 631-348-4781. So to recap, we had the Mother's Day event May 8th, our Haitian cultural celebration in conjunction with Father's Day on June 18th, and any time between now and then you can donate your coats to our coat drive that's hosted by HAUC and the Islip Town branch, NAACP. Other than that, I hope you have a good weekend, and I will see you then.